beach day, everybody. Please remain seated. I know, beautiful, right? Water is sparkling. I know, what's that? Whoa, what is that? To your right, there's a fin in the water. That's a shark fin. And there's a scuba diver swimming right in its path. How's the water out there? Well, that took a turn. You know what? I'm sure they are fine. We'll continue on with our tour. Everything is A-okay. Don't even worry about it. It's fine. But why is the pier moving now? We're getting a bigger tram. This tour keeps getting a bit more terrifying. Everyone all right? We just met a replica of the mechanical sharks used in Jaws. Now this movie was a huge success. It came out the summer of 1975. But the making of Jaws was quite challenging. Jaws filmed on location off the coast of Martha's Vineyard on the East Coast. And production built 3 mechanical sharks for filming. And these mechanical sharks just did not work most of the time. They malfunctioned. One of the mechanical sharks even sank to the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean the very first day of filming. This delayed the production over 3 months, tripled the film's budget. This movie was almost a complete failure, pretty much a disaster.